What's up? I'm gonna show you how to download a driver for an Asus Atenna. One of the I have this. This is my antenna. I got the Asus B550MA Wi-Fi 2. That's the motherboard I have. Yours could be different. It's all the same though. Just look up your motherboard. Make sure it's yours. Go to support. Go to drivers and manuals. Select in your put in your motherboard's name. There's one there. Go to driver and utility, and here's the one you want to download. So you need a Chromebook or a laptop that's already connected to your internet with a USB flash drive. Stick the USB flash drive in. Download this onto the USB stick. It's really easy. Just download it and it'll be downloaded onto the USB stick. Take that out. You plug it into your PS, the back of your PS, not on the top. And then you want to go into what is it called? Oh yeah, you'd want to go just into your files, just to make sure it's there. So like, it'll be down here somewhere when you first download it. When you first put in your USB stick, sorry. Like that's my driver there. So I have to give me 2 seconds. Sorry, I have to read up what it was again. But yeah, 2 seconds. So basically, you want to go to your search bar. You want to look up device manager. It's gonna be this one, and you're gonna have all of these. Your let me just make this a full screen. The antenna is gonna come under other devices. I think no, mine's here now, but it wasn't. It was, I think it was either under other devices or it was in here, software devices. Just check all of these. Just see where your one is. Like they're all mine. Just make sure all of them are in here. And you want to go to your which one has the Wi-Fi, and you're gonna be able to download. It's gonna give you the option to install your driver. But yeah, it's gonna be in here somewhere. Just look for it. It's gonna be in either one of these. Make sure they're all installed. So, like, it could be in here. Like, it's gonna be, or I think there's one called unrecognized devices. But or you could go here, show hidden devices. It might pop up again in one of these. But yeah, that's how you do it. If that, you just go in here, find your Wi-Fi. It's gonna be called. This is what it's gonna be called. Your MediaTek Wi-Fi 6. Just look for that in any of these, and then once you have the driver downloaded from the Chromebook onto the USB stick, plug it into the back of your PC, not the top of it, and then click on the Wi-Fi when you find it, and then boom, your drivers are installed, and then you can connect to your internet. But yeah, that's really all. I'm gonna, like, the rest is easy. Like, graphics drivers, easy. Like, I have all them drivers done. I have all my these will automatically like download when you these will automatically download when you connect to the internet. So these are all my. Do not get Norton, by the way. But yeah, you're gonna wanna download these. You can download. Well, they're not really. They're just documents. Same here. But yeah, that's what you do. Thanks for watching. Smiles after.